Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you the power of compounded interest and how to calculate it. I will tell you a short story first. Title: The Joseph's Penny. As any good father will do, Joseph went to the bank and told the banker that he wanted to invest 1 penny on his son's Jesus' birthday. The banker offered him 5% yearly interest and asked him, simple interest or compounded interest? Joseph told him to wait and started to calculate. We will do the calculation for him. First, for a simple interest of 5% and 2020 years saving period. Joseph was a far-sighted man. You see the formula on the screen. We will write it out in calc language. We hit enter. The result is $1.02 after a good 2000 years. That's 100 times the initial capital. Not too bad. Now the calculation of the compounded interest for the same principal and the same saving period of 2020 years. The unassuming formula is on the screen. We enter it in calc terms. We hit enter, and the result is probably beyond your wildest dreams. If you want to express it in millions or billions, here it is. 63 billion quadrillion or 63 billion octillion dollars. This is the power of compounded interest. At the end of the video, a bonus puzzle for you. The gold price for a metric ton of gold at the time of recording, April 2024, was about $65 million. The Earth's weight is about 6 times 10 to the power of 21 metric tons. How many globes of pure gold can you buy from that amount? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.